How to withdraw Trust Wallet to GCash. So for us to get this done, what I want you to do is head over here to the extension and locate your Trust Wallet. Just go ahead and click it one time, and then we're going to go ahead and click this one and then click view full screen. Now here you should be able to see the different cryptocurrency that you are using. What you are going to do is basically click on the one that you want to send. Say for example, if it is going to be a BNB, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm going to click the send button. Now here you can just go ahead and type or paste a valid address. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and enter the amount. So you can definitely manually enter it from here, or you can just click this one in order to max the amount. And then after doing so, you should be able to see here a preview button. Go ahead and click this one, and in that preview button, what you are going to do is just simply confirm that everything is correct. Once you have confirmed that everything is correct, you can just go ahead and click the send button, and all of that amount that you send should be received by your GCash. So basically that is how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.